Over the next 3 days, we'll be exploring the east coast of Australia.
We've just finished packing, we're getting ready to head down the coast. We're going south, we're going to go and scout some waves, find some locations, and Jono's coming to meet us the following day, and we'll test a new batch of boards.
Jono Cole, I've been making boards for 20 plus years. I'm hitting a point with the actual craft where what I can envisage is what comes out. Like when I first started, I would have an idea of a design and I'd sort of hack it out and there it would be. Like Andy's board, I just started thinking about it during the 9 in the morning. I got up and started tinkering with files, and then I was able to get the cut dropped that afternoon, and I was working on it within 24 hours of first imagining it. When you're surfing your boards all the time and the moment you surf it, you come back in, you reflect on how it goes, and you almost want to like strip the glass off and keep tuning it, but instead you just make another one, go again, and away you go.
We drove the van a few hours south to our base camp, dumped some gear, unloaded the bikes, and went for a bit of an explore.
Have a cook up and then hopefully chase some waves in the morning. Jono's just joined us, so he's come down this morning with some fresh new boards for us as well. So we're going to head south. We're going to go up through the bush now. We've sort of got northerly winds kicking up, so there's a little campsite we want to go to that's a bit more protected in the north, so we should get a good chance of waves tomorrow.
I think we've got a similar shaped hand. This thing's pretty much fucking lava. Perfect. Yeah. Stop. That's a kill switch.
When was the last time you were on the bike?
About over 7 years ago, but you can't turn down opportunities like this. Yeah, well, it's a bit of a kick. Kind of gives you that surfing buzz. I'm not going to jinx it and say I'm feeling comfortable and relaxed, but it's fun. It's got me very stimulated.
So we're still sort of heading south from where we camped last night. And then, yeah, we're probably about a third of the way in. It's sort of good bush riding, like without being full enduro. It's just nice sort of cruisy. Figured we'd better take it fairly easy on Jono getting back onto a bike after a few years. Don't want to send him home broken. There's a river down over here which we sort of have to come up along this ridge line to get across. Open down with the we're on that other side of the headland now, and almost looks like we might be able to sneak away, possibly. And we're all a little bit sweaty and dusty, so might be time for a paddle and a wash off. And the best thing is I've got a brand new board and the shaper's right here, so I can give direct feedback instantly when I fall off. No one out, there's no one around, which is, I don't know, might be a good thing, might be a reason for it.
It just looks like the banks, it looks like all the sand's been gouged out of the right out of the guts of it. So there's a big hole right in the middle of the break. It's not really breaking up in the north corner, and but there's a little rip hole right. This one might do it.
Yeah, I just keep seeing there's a few things.
Turtle down where?
Just out on the other side. No, it's gone now. Something just popped up.
Hopefully it's a turtle.
Hope so.
Donation to the Spud Lords.
Already. Yeah.
They're super crispy.
Smudge her up.
Good to get out. It's just hard to find that good one.